In this video I will show you how to unsend an email in Gmail.
Right after you send an email in Gmail, you'll see an undo option appear in the bottom left corner of the screen. You usually have about 5 seconds to click it. If you click it in time, the email will be pulled back before it's fully sent. However, if that time passes, the email is already sent, and there is no full recall feature like in Outlook. But you can increase the time you have to undo a sent email. To do that, go to Settings and click See All Settings. In the General tab, scroll down until you find the Undo Send option. Here, you can change the cancellation period from 5 seconds up to 30 seconds. After selecting your preferred time, scroll down and click Save Changes. Now, when you send an email again, you'll have more time to click Undo if you realize you made a mistake. Like forgetting an attachment. Clicking Undo will stop the email from being sent and bring it back for editing. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to our channel.